Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocio. In today's video, I'd like to share with you this textured doily I made a while ago. Let me show you a close-up of the center. It has a lot of texture. The edging. These are not popcorns. I don't recall the name of the stitch, but they're not popcorns. And the picots, this one, very pretty, looks like a crown. I made it with thread 10 and 1.65 millimeter hook. It measures approximately 9.5 inches. This is the reverse. Not much to see, but this is how it looks like. The name of the pattern is London, the designer Olga Shalaeva, and I write it in case I don't pronounce it right. I purchased it on Ravelry. I purchased the pattern, but I received a chart only. But the chart is very well written. I didn't have any problems following it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.